Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today, we're tackling an important topic that affects businesses, professionals, and individuals alike: contract dispute resolution. Contracts are at the heart of almost every business relationship. They set out what's expected of each party, define obligations, and provide clarity. But what happens when one party doesn't hold up their end of the bargain? When terms are breached, misunderstood, or simply not followed, you may find yourself in the middle of a contract dispute. And that's when dispute resolution becomes crucial. So, what exactly is contract dispute resolution? In simple terms, it's the process of resolving disagreements that arise out of contracts. Whether it's a commercial contract, an employment agreement, a lease, or any other form of legally binding arrangement. The aim is to settle the issue in a way that protects your rights and minimizes disruption to your business or personal life. Now, not every contract dispute needs to end up in court. In fact, most don't. There are several ways to resolve disagreements, and each method has its own advantages depending on the situation. The goal is always to find a fair and efficient resolution before matters escalate too far. Let's start with negotiation. This is often the first step. It's informal but incredibly effective when handled properly. Negotiation allows both parties to communicate openly, clarify misunderstandings, and reach an agreement without involving external bodies. Having a solicitor involved at this stage can help keep discussions focused and professional, ensuring that any agreement reached is fair and legally sound. If negotiation doesn't work, the next step might be mediation. Mediation involves an independent third party, the mediator, who helps both sides discuss their issues and work towards a mutually acceptable outcome. The mediator doesn't impose a decision but facilitates dialogue. It's a constructive, often less adversarial way to resolve disputes while preserving business relationships. Another approach is arbitration. This is more formal than mediation but still private and typically faster than court proceedings. In arbitration, an independent arbitrator reviews the evidence and arguments from both sides and then makes a binding decision. Many commercial contracts include arbitration clauses that specify this method for resolving disputes. Imagine, for instance, you run a company that signed a supply contract, but your supplier fails to deliver goods on time. You've suffered financial loss and want compensation, but you also want to avoid a lengthy court case that could damage your business relationship. Through mediation or arbitration, you could reach a fair outcome more quickly, saving time, money, and stress, while potentially preserving that commercial relationship for the future. Of course, there are situations where court proceedings are unavoidable. For example, when the other party refuses to cooperate, or when the dispute involves complex legal issues that require judicial determination. In those cases, litigation might be the best option. At Blackstone Solicitors, we have extensive experience representing clients in both commercial and civil contract disputes. Whether through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or litigation, our goal is to achieve the best possible outcome for you, efficiently and strategically. We'll analyze your contract, assess the strength of your case, and advise you on the most effective path forward. We also help clients avoid disputes altogether by drafting clear, watertight contracts and ensuring that the terms accurately reflect their intentions. After all, the best form of dispute resolution is prevention. So, to sum up, contract dispute resolution is about finding fair and effective ways to resolve disagreements that arise from contracts. Whether that's through open negotiation, structured mediation, private arbitration, or formal litigation, the aim is always to protect your interests while keeping costs and disruption to a minimum. At Blackstone Solicitors, we understand that contract disputes can be stressful and time-sensitive. Our expert team is here to guide you through the process with clear advice, practical strategies, and strong representation. If you're facing a contract dispute or simply want to protect your business from potential issues in the future, get in touch. We'd be delighted to help. If you found this video helpful, Please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights from the team at Blackstone Solicitors. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.